Do you ever feel like you have your very own love language? Well, for me, it's food. I love making tasty meals for my families and friends, right from my kitchen. Seeing their happy smiles because of the food I've cooked is just the best feeling ever. I discovered my love for cooking when I started working in different restaurants when I was younger. That's when I started really loving food and being around lots of interesting and yummy ingredients. Working in the kitchen every day helped me learn the cooking skills I have now. It wasn't easy though. Some people tried to make me feel like I wasn't good enough in the kitchen, but with focus, determination, and my love for cooking, I tackled those challenges every day. Cooking is simple and fun. All you have to do is imagine the ingredients working together to make your taste buds explode. It helps you understand how balance really works. Cooking is like a magic trick. Imagine your ingredients as magical friends creating a show together. Spices, herbs, and sizzling pans, they all play a part in making a tasty masterpiece. The cool part? Cooking isn't just about following rules, it's about adding your special touch, making each dish a bit like you. And guess what? It's super easy. The kitchen is like my secret hideout. It's where I can try new things, learn, and create. It's like being a chef on a stage, directing a tasty show that makes my friends and family happy. As I mix, chop, and season, I'm not just cooking, I'm telling a story with flavors. Those challenges I faced before just made me love cooking even more. Every problem I solved made me stronger and more determined to share the happiness a yummy meal can bring. The real happiness happens when I share these tasty creations with my friends and family. The excitement in their eyes, the first bite, and then the smiles. It's like magic that warms my heart. And as the kitchen fills with yummy smells and laughter, I realize that cooking isn't just something I do alone. It's something we can all enjoy together. It's about creating moments, making connections, and weaving a tapestry of memories by making a simple meal. Now that we've had a taste of food on my cooking journey, let's explore how this love for cooking goes beyond the kitchen. It's not just about the skills, it's about making friends, learning, and discovering new flavors. The kitchen taught me more than just recipes and techniques. It's like school for life. Every day, I learn something new, like finding cool ingredients or trying a new way of cooking. It's a never-ending adventure. Cooking is like a journey of growing up. It's about trying new things, pushing the limits, and embracing challenges as we explore the big world of yummy food. It's not just about the end result, it's about having fun and learning along the way. Even when life gets a bit crazy, the kitchen becomes a quiet place. It's where I can relax and find peace in the sounds of chopping and sizzling. It's like a kind of meditation for me. Cooking isn't just about making food, it's about joy, passion, and the love that goes into every dish. I want to say thanks for being part of this tasty journey. If you like being on this cooking adventure, consider hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends who also love food, and subscribing for more tasty stories. So, until our next yummy adventure, keep your kitchen filled with laughter, creativity, and the yummy smell of good food. Here's to savoring the story, one tasty bite at a time.